The Meritz Coupe 4 S247A Deluxe Mini Scooter. This convenient rear-wheel drive electric scooter is a stable, agile and comfortable solution for your mobility needs. The S247A is designed around the ideas of travel and portability, and its key feature is its ability to disassemble into 5 lighter pieces for better transport and storage. With a carrying capacity of 136 kilograms or 300 pounds and a range of 17 kilometers or just over 10 miles, the S247A's convenient modular design comes without any sacrifice to strength or range. The S247A's big basket offers accessible storage when shopping or commuting, and its 8 cm ground clearance provides all the freedom needed for most indoor and outdoor adventures. But of course, S247A's standout feature is its modular design. To disassemble the scooter, first remove the basket. Next, remove the seat by pulling up on the lever on the right side, while at the same time lifting the seat. Next, remove the battery pack. Simply lift it off the base. The battery connects to the scooter via electrical leads on the base of the scooter, so there are no clumsy cables to worry about. Rotate the tiller knob counterclockwise and fold the tiller all the way back. Tighten the knob again. Make sure the orange lever in front of the tiller is locked. This keeps the tiller and wheels locked in place during transport. Finally, to separate the back section from the front section, first press down on the release lever and then lift the front by pulling up on the seat post. To assemble the scooter, simply reverse the process. Align the front and back and push them together until the release lever pops back up. Next, release the tiller knob, lift the tiller and tighten the knob. Place the battery pack in its place. You can make sure it's connected by quickly turning on the scooter. Next, put the seat back by holding the side lever up while lowering the seat into the seat post. Finally, attach the basket. Don't forget to release the lever in front of the tiller to allow for proper steering. This 4-wheeled scooter with 2 front wheels offers a more stable solution than comparable 3-wheeled models. The rear drive power base is equipped with an intelligent braking system which electromagnetically prevents unwanted rolling while stationary, effectively locking the power chair in place. It is also regenerative, which means it recovers the kinetic energy lost while braking and feeds this power back into the batteries, thereby extending the range of the scooter. 2 small rear coaster wheels add additional stability, especially on rough terrain. All 4 wheels are equipped with foam-filled polyurethane tires, making flat tires a fear of the past. To disengage the motors and allow the scooter to be pushed similarly to a standard wheelchair, simply flip the freewheel lever in the back of the power base. The S247A comes with an adjustable seat. The seat comes with armrests that can flip up for easier access. They can also be adjusted horizontally, conforming to the rider's needs for maximum comfort. The loop tiller makes handling comfortable and easy. The simple control panel features a battery level indicator, a horn, a speed dial, and the power switch. Easily control the direction of the scooter with the levers on either side. Finally, there is a mount on the back of the S247A for accessories such as a crutch carrier or basket. The Meritz Coupe 4 S247A is a stable and capable electric scooter. Its simple yet effective design offers a great combination of features and convenience, while its modular design opens up a world of possibilities.